Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade options on Moomoo. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. To get started, you will need to download and install the Moomoo app, create an account, and fund it with money. First, let's cover some key concepts. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset. To trade options on Moomoo, navigate to the options trading section of the app. Here, you can browse through a list of available options contracts, including the underlying asset, strike price, expiration date, and premium. The premium is the price of the options contract. When selecting an options contract, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you think the price of the underlying asset will go up, you can buy a call option. If you think the price will go down, you can buy a put option. Now, let's go through the steps to place an options trade on Moomoo. First, select the options contract you want to trade. Then, choose the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Next, set the premium you are willing to pay or receive. Finally, confirm your trade and submit it to the market. It's also important to understand the risks associated with options trading. Options contracts can expire worthless if the price of the underlying asset does not move in the direction you predicted. Additionally, buying and selling options contracts involves paying commissions and fees. To minimize your risks, it's essential to develop a solid trading strategy. This includes setting clear investment goals, managing your risk exposure, and continuously monitoring the market. It's also crucial to stay informed about market trends and news that may impact the price of the underlying asset. In conclusion, trading options on Moomoo can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. By understanding the key concepts, following the steps to place an options trade, and developing a solid trading strategy, you can make informed investment decisions and minimize your risks. Remember to always prioritize risk management and stay informed about market trends and news.